How to change app language on the Deepseek AI Assistant app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change the language on the Deepseek AI app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is download the application from Google Play Store, and it is also available on App Store. Once you've downloaded the app, just open it up and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now all you're going to do is go ahead and swipe right on your screen, or you can just tap on the two lines at the top left corner to pop out this menu. Now you can just tap on your profile icon and it will directly take you to your profile. And right at the bottom, you have an option to change your app language. So go ahead and tap on this. So you can change it to all of these available languages. So for example, if I want to change it to Spanish, I'm just going to tap on Espanol and then tap on done. Now, as you can see, everything is here now on Spanish, and it's as easy as that. And if you want to change it back, you just go to your settings again, tap on language again, and if you want to change it to system or English, you can do that. Tap on done, and now you're good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.